We all know that time is money. So the days have passed that you will make soap and then keep soap for 3 weeks that you're curing it, 4 weeks that you're curing it. Gaskiya, it doesn't work that way. We have mastered the art of soap making to the extent that now, even we that make soap with hand, there's virtually little or no difference with that made with plodder, apart from the fact that the one with plodder passed through a plodder. The quality and texture of our soaps are better. And while I'm still on this, please, anybody teaching you how to make soap and the soap is looking watery, please forget about it. Don't waste your time. Any recipe that they are telling you more water, less oil, forget about it. Okay? Not that it's bad, and you can do it for people that want cheap things, but honestly, it's not worth it. Okay? So today we held the physical soap training with our mommy. She came all the way from Abuja. You can see all this work we did together with her. She really tried. She got tired, okay? But don't worry. I will tell you, I'll give you a tip of what we did, okay? I'll drop a recipe for you that will give you a good quality soap, okay? So now, we made this soap today and we cut it today. Not this soap, I mean the soap we made with her. I'm just trying to show you different shapes of the soap we stamped with her. This soap is a rebatched soap, okay? So all my rebatched soap, I decided to rebatch them, add neem to it and turmeric, okay? All my herbal soaps, I decided to rebatch them, add neem and turmeric to them, and then stamped them like this. If you are interested, it is 500 naira per bar when I package it, okay? So now, let's go back. This is what we did today. To, let's say, 1 liter of palm oil, 250 mils of PKO. We used 183 grams of caustic and 331 mils of water. Okay, that was what we used in making this soap. Now, the soap was made today around 2 in the afternoon. By 5:36, we were cutting it. This is the soap here we are cutting. And you can see the texture of the soap. We didn't use too much water. We used just the right amount of water, okay, in it. We didn't put too much mede in the soap, no. We made a multi-purpose soap, we made a laundry soap, and we made a bathing soap. And you can see how beautiful they are. Thick. It is, in short, this soap, as I told you, is not even up to 3 hours. So this is the bathing soap. It has aloe vera in it, it has orange peel in it, okay. And even after we finished and cut it, the soap was strong. It was, as breeze is blowing it, it was becoming stronger, okay. So in essence, what am I trying to tell you? If you want to make a good quality soap, use the right amount of caustic and the right amount of water. Don't deceive yourself that you want to, because you want to make profit, you now make something with too much water. No matter what you do, if you like put too much water inside your soap, the water will evaporate and leave the soap. The water will evaporate and leave the soap, because water cannot stay in soap. Even if you package it, that water will eventually go. And by the time the water goes, what will happen? Your soap will shrink. Your soap will shrink and it will affect the aesthetics of your soap. It will make it not presentable in the market. So now you can see us stamping our laundry soap with our stamping machine. This will ensure you get even and the same sizes, and always it will make your soap look presentable. Now, if you look at this soap, you not believe it was made with hand. And believe you me, these pictures are not doing justice to these soaps. You not believe this soap was made with hand, but this is 100% handmade soap, okay. So gaskiya, and I thank mommy, we really had a good time with her. So the recipe I dropped for you, try making your soap with it, and then show me you can show me in the comment section in any of my videos. Okay, just a very simple recipe. If you want me to write it, I think I'll write it for you in the description box also, so that you can it's just a very simple recipe, 3 ingredients in it. Okay, so this is our bathing soap. We used a different stamping machine for it. This one will give you the shape of Eva soap. Okay, we have the one that will give you the shape of Dudu Osun. We have the one that will give you different shapes, any